Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another Should That Shoe Be Retro. In this episode of Should That Shoe Be Retro, we're talking about one of Jordan Brand's best sneakers that ever came out, man. This colorway is fire, and it hasn't been retro in a long time, man. So I'm asking the question, should it be retro? I believe Jordan wore these in the All-Star game that year that this shoe came out. I can't remember the year off the top of my head, but I'm sure you guys can do your Googles and do your research on it or whatever the case may be. But we're talking about the Cherry 12s, man. I know you guys ain't see these shoes on camera for a while, so I figured I'll bring it to you guys. But before we do that, I'm going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we drop a new content to the channel. And also, if you guys want to follow us on our social media accounts, you guys can reach us at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. If you guys want to buy any Penny for Your Thoughts merch, you guys can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. But enough with the talking. Let's get to the shoe. Here you guys go. Cherry 12s. Retro, of course. In great condition, as you can see. Still fresh. Still pull them out to get those looks. As you can see on the side here, you got red here. You got the plastic jump in here. Plastic joint all the way to the tip. Got the white toe box. White upper up here. White upper up here. Also all the way to the back panels. Red over here on the side. Plastic with no jump in on here. You can see you got the Jordan Jumpman logo right here. You got the 23 there on the inside. I believe this is carbon fiber. Back panel, got the Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Got the Jordan logo here, black, white, red. Got the 2-3 here, man. Right here in the shoe where the shoestrings go out. This is plastic, it's silver. On the OGs, I know this is metal on the OGs. But these are plastic here, man. You know, it's a retro, of course, so you know they're gonna change something. Very clean shoe. Love this shoe to death, man. As you can see, I barely wear it. Love this shoe. One of my favorite shoes of all time. Very clean, man. I have a lot of retro 12s, a lot of them, man. If you want to see my whole OG collection of retro 12s, leave it in the comments below. I'll definitely make that video happen for you guys, man. But very clean shoe, man. I don't think many people have this shoe looking like this or anything like that, so I figure I'll bring it to the channel, let you guys look at it. Very clean, man. Let me know what condition you guys think this shoe is in, man. Leave in the comments below. But of course, if you're a regular on the channel, if you're not, subscribe. If you're new here, I appreciate you watching. But I need for you to understand that we use the penny system here. And then out of 5 pennies, you know, whatever you give the shoe, man, you guys can leave it in the comments below. Have a little fun with it, man. But I think it's clean. It's fresh, man. Got a little bit of limb balls in the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that or whatever, but it's still crispy, man. Very crispy shoe, man. I figure I'll bring it to the channel and give you guys a look at it. You guys probably haven't seen this shoe in a while, man. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below, man. Should this shoe be retro? I definitely think this shoe should be retro. It should be coming out this year or sometime next year. But it should be coming back out, without a doubt. But let me know what you guys think. Leave in the comments below. We answer all comments, man. And don't forget to hit that like button if you like the content that we bring to this channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe, man. You know, I'm trying to build a fan base with you guys. Give you guys quality videos, man, and quality shoes to go with it. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.